everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1968 Chevrolet Nova SS. Super cool car, guys. I love this car. You can see it's got all the Yanko badging on it. It's not an original Yanko car. This is the factory color combination. I wish we had some sun. I love this color. It's called Grecian green. It's metallic. It's got the factory black vinyl interior in it, bucket seats, console, tach. Car's out of Florida. It was restored about 8 years ago. I don't know the exact mileage on it, but you know, there can't be a ton in that time. Killer car though. Again, love this color. Grecian green metallic. It's got a killer set of billet SSR aluminum wheels on it. It has a pounded 427 cubic inch. Now listen, it's a 454 block with a 396 crank. People always ask me why I tell you that. There's a big difference, at least in my opinion, on the value of a real 427 block and the way most people do these. Killer car though, steel cowl hood, 4-wheel disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed. It's got Hotchkis suspension, and a fun car to drive. Fun car to go bang the gears on. And when we fire this thing up, man, it beats the ground. Looks like it's got most of the original trim on it. They've definitely replaced the bumpers. Neat car. Like I said, I wish we had some sunshine because this car's got pretty paint on it. I love this color. Factory shaded windshield. Again, it's a steel hood. Glass is nice. Vinyl top's in great shape. Sorry, we got snow and wind blowing out here. Welcome to Michigan. A couple little marks there in the rear glass. That rear hat rack there is really nice on this car. A lot of times they're coming out of Florida like that, they'll get crinkled up. That one looks beautiful. These are tape stripes, so if you want to remove them, you can. I kind of like the look. I mean, it's got all the Yanko badging. It's got the little badge on the dash. Cool car, man. And like I say, just hits the ground. Car's nice and straight. I know they can put new quarters on it. I think the floors are original. I didn't really see it. I know they put quarter panels on this car though. Good looking car, real good looking. If you see that, there's a little dust there, guys, sorry. 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got Wilwood slotted and drill rotors on the back. I believe it's got the stock front disc setup, which would have came standard on the SS. Love the wheels on this car. Again, just a pounding 427, guys. It's got a quick fuel, performance 4-barrel line. You can see the air gap aluminum intake, high flow aluminum water pump. It's got hooker, big tube headers, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, MSD 6AL box on it with the Pro Billet distributor. It's got Hotchkis tubular upper and lower control arms on the front here. It's got Hotchkis shocks. It also has big Hotchkis sway bar on the front. Again, that's a steel hood. Really cool set of billet valve covers. Now, we have this thing a little dusty, guys. Sorry, man. Good, solid, straight body. Got the 427 hood badges. Stainless is nice. You can nitpick some of the trim there. New mirrors. They definitely replaced those door handles. New rubber seals. Bucket seats, console. Factory tach and gauges. Got that sport steering wheel in it. It's a radio delete car. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. 21,257 on your odometer. You know, if I had to take a stab at it, guys, I'd say, you know, 2,000-3,000 miles on the car since it's been done. 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a Muncie 4-speed with a scatter shield. Drive shaft loop. It's a 12-bolt, I believe he said 373 rear end. Again, Hotchkis rear sway bar, ladder bars, frame connectors. It's got Hotchkis rear shocks. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Factory jack with a spare. The original owner's manual's in the glove box as well. Ooh, it's cold, guys. Wicked cold out here today. Like I say, cool car. It's clean underneath. Fun car to go bang the gears. It's dry enough that we'll go ahead and run this thing down the road today. Seats are nice, man. I like that buckets console. Hearst competition. It's got your factory Nova SS on the dash there. Gauges are clean, getting factory tach, factory gauges. Go ahead, you can fire it up, Nathan. Showing a little wear on your door handle there. Car gets its R's quick. Pump gas engine. Of course, I recommend premium in all these cars. Tach works. Your horn buttons below the parking brake does work. Needs a little adjustment. Reverse lights work. That's bad right there, man. Radio delete. All your gauges are working. Good oil pressure. We got a right blink. Oh, there it goes. I bet you it's not making a good connect. There it goes. Yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Oh, that's bad. Have a great day, guys.